Hi guys, என் பேர் Srinidhi and I'm studying class 12. இன்னைக்கு நான் chemical kineticsலேருந்து few challenging-ஆன sums-ஐ descriptive-ஆக explain பண்ண போகிறேன். I hope that you find this video useful. First, modern problem mapping for chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics na enna? It is a branch of chemistry which is dealt with the study of rates of chemical reaction. Next, rate of reaction எப்படி define பண்ணலாம்? First, what is rate of reaction? It is the change in concentration of reactants or product per unit time. இதை for general reaction A plus B gives C. இதை எப்படி define பண்ணலாம்னா minus delta A by delta T or minus delta B by delta T or delta C by delta T. இங்கே negative sign indicates that concentration is decreasing with time. Next, rate law. What does a rate law express? It expresses the relationship between reaction rate and the molar concentration of one or more reactants. இதில் rate is defined as dx by dt, which is k into a power m into b power n. Next, the integrated rate reaction, which is first order reaction. First order reaction is given as k equal to 2.303 by t log a0 by at. இதில் k is first order rate constant and a0 is initial concentration and rate at is concentration at any time. Next, zero order reaction la rate can be defined as k into a0 into b0. Next is half-life period reaction, which is the time required for initial concentration of the reactant to be reduced to half its value for first order reaction, which is T1 by 2 equal to 0.693 by K. இதில் amount left after n half-lives for first order is an equal to a0 by 2n, 2 power n. Next, time of nth fraction of first order process. இதில் T1 by n எப்படி define பண்ணலாம்னா 2.303 by K into log into 1 by 1 minus 1 by n. And finally, the rate constant at two different temperatures are related as log K2 by K1 equal to EA by 2.3303 R into T2 minus T1 by T1 T2. In the equation, EA is energy of activation and variation constant can be defined as the Arrhenius theory, Arrhenius equation K equal to AE power minus EA by RT. First question. A first order reaction takes 40 minutes for 30% decomposition. Calculate half-life of T. So, இங்கே 30% of decomposition ரனால x வந்து 13 எடுத்துக்கிறோம். So, we know that R equal to R0 minus 0.3 into R0. So, finally, simplify பண்ணோனா we get 0.7 into R0. First order reaction க்கு K ஓட value கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா we have this formula 2.303 by T into log R0 by R. So, நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்க வேல்யூவை substitute பண்ணோம்னா we will get this answer of 8.918 into 10 power minus 3 per minute. But இங்க half life of T கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. So, half life of T ஓட formula is 0.693 by K. So, we know the value of K, substitute பண்ணோம்னா we will get 77.7 minutes. Second question. The decomposition of azo-isopropane to hexane and nitrogen at 543 Kelvin, the following data are obtained. Time at 0 seconds, pressure is 35. Time at 360 seconds, pressure is 54. When time is 720 seconds and pressure is 63. Calculate the rate constant. So, இங்கே கொடுத்திருக்க azo-isopropane the equation is CH3 2 CHN double bond NCH CH3 2. gives nitrogen and hexane, which is N2 plus C6H14. So in initial pressure P0 is 0 and pressure after time T is P0 minus P, which is P. Therefore, Pt equal to P0 minus P plus P plus P. So, Pt equal to P0 plus P. So, P here we can define it as Pt minus P0. Therefore, P0 minus P here we can say that it is equal to 2 P0 minus Pt. So, we know that for a first order reaction, K equal to 2.303 by T into log into P0 by P0 minus P. So, for T equal to 360 seconds now, we get the answer to be, நம்ம substitute பண்ணோம்னா we get the answer to be 2.175 into 10 power minus 3. And when T equal to 720 seconds now, நம்ம அந்த first order reactionல substitute பண்ணோம்னா we get the answer to be 2.235 into 10 power minus 3. So, இங்கே வந்து average value of rate constant கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So, K equal to 2175 into 10 power minus 3 plus 2.35 into 10 power minus 3 by 2 gives 2.21 into 10 power minus 3. Third question. The following data were obtained during the first order thermal decomposition of SO2Cl2 at constant volume. SO2Cl2 gives SO2 plus Cl2. Experiment 1. Time at 0 seconds. Pressure is 0.5. Experiment 2. Time at 100 seconds. Pressure is 0.6. Calculate the rate of reaction when total pressure is 0.65 atm. So we know that initial pressure P0 is 0 and pressure at time T is P0 minus P is P, and let P1 equal to P0 plus P. So we know that P0 minus P equal to 2 P0 Pt. We know that for the first order reaction K equal to 2.303 by T into log into P0 minus by P0 by P. So number T equal to 100 now, we will substitute the value of 100 in place of T. So we will get the value of 2.231 into 10 power minus 3 per second. So we know that Pt equal to 0.65 atm, P equal to Pt minus P0. So we will get P to be 0.65 minus 0.5. So we will get P to be 0.15 atm. Therefore, the total pressure is 0.65 atm. Pressure of SOCl is, so P of SOCl equal to P0 minus P. So P of SOCl oda value namalukku theriyum. It is 0.35 atm. Therefore, the rate of reaction when pressure is 0.65 atm is given by rate equal to K into P of SOCl2. So namalukku P of SOCl enna theriyum, K na enna theriyum. So we will substitute the value, we will get it to be 7.5 into 10 power minus 4 atm per second. So finally, we have come to the end of the video, guys. So in the conclusion, to make it more interesting, I have given you few quiz problems. You can have fun trying it out. Thank you very much.